Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The presentation covers the diagnostic trouble code P0017, which refers to the camshaft position sensor B and crankshaft position sensor correlation issue specifically for the Honda CR-V models from 2023 and onwards. This DTC is triggered when there is a significant discrepancy between the phase of the exhaust camshaft as measured by camshaft position sensor B and the standard phase value expected for the exhaust camshaft. The malfunction can lead to timing issues in the engine, affecting performance and efficiency. Understanding this error and its context is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Components involved include the camshaft and crankshaft sensors, which are vital for engine timing and operation. Their locations and functionality help in diagnosing related issues effectively. The DTC P0017 indicates an issue with the exhaust camshaft phase when compared to the expected standard phase value. The camshaft position, CMP sensor B, is responsible for measuring the exhaust camshaft angle, which is integral for the vehicle's timing system. The crankshaft position, CKP sensor, on the other hand, monitors the rotation of the crankshaft, providing the ECU with critical timing data for fuel injection and ignition. These sensors are located in specific areas near the engine block. Any abnormality detected by these sensors can result in a DTC being stored, indicating that further inspection is required. Understanding the functionality and relationship between these sensors and their roles in the variable timing control (VTC) system is key to diagnosing the P0017 error efficiently. The possible causes for DTC P0017 include a malfunctioning VTC oil control solenoid valve B, which regulates oil flow to the VTC system and impacts the camshaft's timing. If this valve fails, it can lead to incorrect positioning of the camshaft. Additionally, issues with the timing chain can arise, such as damage or stretching, which affects the synchronization of the camshaft and crankshaft. The VTC actuator B is another potential culprit. If defective, it can prevent the proper adjustment of the camshaft phase. Each of these components plays a critical role in ensuring that the camshaft operates within desired parameters, thereby underscoring the importance of thorough inspections. When encountering DTC P0017, drivers may experience various symptoms indicative of engine performance problems. A rough engine idle can occur due to improper timing between the camshaft and crankshaft. This misalignment may also lead to poor acceleration, where the vehicle fails to respond efficiently to the throttle input. Additionally, drivers may observe increased fuel consumption as the engine struggles to maintain optimal performance. Other potential symptoms include unusual noises from the engine area, as well as a warning light illuminating on the dashboard. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for timely diagnosis and repair. For the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0017, begin by turning the vehicle to the off lock position. Allow the engine to cool down to below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, to ensure safety. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle without applying any load. This setup is essential to establish a baseline for observing engine behavior. Monitoring the engine's idling characteristics during this procedure provides insight into whether the DTC is active or if additional faults are present. If a rough idle or other signs are evident during this phase, record your observations as they may assist in further diagnostics. In the second step of troubleshooting for DTC P0017, turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the onboard diagnostic system to run self-checks. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and select the EX-VTC option. This function will assess the variable timing control system related to the exhaust camshaft. It is crucial to monitor the test results. If the results indicate that the system is not operating correctly, it confirms the duplication of the failure and necessitates further investigation of the VTC-related components, signaling the need for inspections on specific parts such as the VTC oil control solenoid and the VTC actuator. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P0017 involves turning off the vehicle once more and allowing the engine to cool below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius again. This step is essential to prevent overheating and protect engine components. Restart the vehicle and let it idle while monitoring the HDS EX VTC status. The goal is to ensure that the HDS reflects that the status is on, indicating that the VTC system is engaged and operational. It is crucial to allow the engine to run until the status changes to on to avoid any ambiguity in readings. Once confirmed, check the HDS for the OBD status regarding DTC P0017 to see whether the error persists. After addressing the components that may have led to DTC P0017, the final verification process is to reset the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) settings. This step clears any learned faults from the system memory. It is also necessary to clear the crankshaft position (CKP) pattern in the system, as it may have stored incorrect information during the malfunction. Following this, perform the CKP pattern learn process to allow the vehicle's ECU to recalibrate and re-establish correct timing settings. This retraining of the ECU ensures that it accurately reads the values from both the camshaft position and crankshaft position sensors. Proper verification after repairs carries the assurance that the vehicle should operate optimally once the tasks are completed. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in minimizing the occurrence of DTC P0017 in the future. Conducting regular oil changes ensures that the engine components, including the variable timing control components, receive optimal lubrication. Oil quality directly affects the function of the VTC oil control solenoid valve and other related components. Additionally, routinely inspecting the VTC components, such as the actuator and cam chain, can identify early wear and tear that may lead to misalignment and failures. Furthermore, it is essential to monitor overall engine performance closely. Any signs of irregular behavior should be addressed promptly to avoid further complications. Adopting these preventive measures not only prolongs the vehicle's lifespan, but also improves overall reliability. In summary, DTC P0017 signifies a critical timing dysfunction between the exhaust camshaft position and crankshaft readings. The troubleshooting process involves systematic verification of key components, primarily within the variable timing control system, including both the camshaft position sensor B and crankshaft position sensor. It is crucial to be thorough during inspections, as underlying issues with the oil control valve, actuator, or cam chain may manifest as the error code. Adequate preventive maintenance, such as routine inspections and timely oil changes, mitigates the risk of recurrence. Staying alert to symptoms associated with timing issues also aids in early detection and resolution, ensuring optimal engine performance for the Honda CR-V. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.